Hello everyone, it's Elle. I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, I am having a complete busy day. I am taking a look at my backyard and realizing that I need to give this backyard some love and attention. I need to do this patio over and get it cleaned out, replace some of the bamboo fence that I put up. It has a lot of spaces in between due to the weather, sometimes the inclement weather. So I'm just gonna jump right into this project. This is the before, the mess. So the first place I need to stop is Home Depot, and then I'm going to go into Walmart. But I'm going to Home Depot to find these bamboo fences. They're about $28 a piece, and I think I need about 5 or 6 of them to fill in the gaps and replace it and to spruce up the backyard fence just a little bit. Next stop is Walmart, and I'm looking at the rugs that they have. They're inexpensive, and I like to change out the color in my backyard every year and give it a new look, a new spruce up. I don't change out the furniture, but the color of the rugs, they're inexpensive, so I always try to buy the mainstay rugs from Walmart. The prices for the rugs in Walmart vary. It goes from anywhere from $89.99 to $29.99, and I like to stay on the lower end because I'm on a budget. So yes, you can see that orange one right there. It says $89.99, but it actually is on sale for $79.99. And you can find different versions, and you don't have to spend a lot to make your backyard look nice. So I am back at home, and this is everything that I picked up. I decided to get that orange rug and then another rug I picked up from Ross for about $12.99. I'm not sure how it's going to work out, but for right now I have to get over here to this mulch that I just put down in the backyard. We dug this little ditch here. Well, it's a big ditch, and you see those white rocks back there? I have to move them and put them in the front right in there. So I have to take all of those rocks in the hot sun and get these to the front. So I'm just going to begin doing that, and yeah, you'll see the progress. Go ahead and now install the bamboo fence that I picked up from Home Depot. I'm just going to use zip ties, and I'm not going to take down the existing fence. I'm just going to put up the new ones over the ones that's already there, and it gives me more privacy. So as time passes and these bamboo fences fade, I just go ahead and keep installing, and it just builds up more privacy, and I just use the zip ties to attach it. Now that I'm done with the bamboo mulch and the rocks, I'm trying to get this extended patio in order. I like to try out different looks with any makeover that I do, so I like to have options. I picked up this orange rug from Ross for $12.99, and I'm going to see how everything looks together, but it's getting dark outside, so I'll probably continue tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to see what I can get done really quickly. from IKEA that I've been dying to use, but it's just not coordinating well with the rest of my stuff. So maybe next year I'll use them. So I'm starting to see kind of like a vibe here. I'm kind of liking these colors, so I'm just going to continue on decorating and then show you the final result at the end. So I'm not done yet. I just wanted to get an idea so when I wake up tomorrow, I can continue to decorate and see what else I need to get. So I let the look marinate overnight, and when I got up and came outside, I didn't like the way the creamsicle orange rug looked with this whole ensemble. So I went back to Walmart and I picked up another one of the mainstay rugs. So everything is going to coordinate, including what I have on. This is where I actually got my inspiration from, this shirt that I'm wearing right now. So guys, when you need inspiration, sometimes you just need to go in your closet and see what you have, and something may jump out at you to decorate. So I'm using these benches that I had. I used to use them inside, but I brought them out and I forgot to spray fabric protector on there, the Scotch Guard. So it got a little warped and a little brown, but I can eventually paint them. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. And I'm also going to be repotting some sage that I picked out of my front yard. Sage helps with mosquitoes and it makes everything smell so good. I love it. So I don't want to have to keep replacing the sage. So I'm going to try to repot it. And this is the first time I'm trying something like this with the Texas sage. So hopefully it can grow out of the container. I'm not quite done as yet. However, I decorated this patio with the pops of color with the peaches and orange and creams and white, so I can give myself an idea. But I just wanted to also show you guys how my patio looks at night with these colors. I really do like it, but it's just not my cup of tea with the yellow umbrella. So I am going to change it. The yellow umbrella overpowers just about everything on this patio. As you can see, your eye goes straight to the yellow. So sometimes too much color can be an overkill, right? So I wanted something nice and subtle. So I also had my beige umbrellas and I put them up, and I think everything now works together. It's soothing, it's relaxing. And I also added these crotons that are tropical, and they need a lot of sun and a lot of water, guys. So I don't know, these plants are temperamental, but here is everything in a nutshell, in an eggshell, in an egg chair, I should say. I really do like the way everything came out. It's giving me that nice breezy, still island vibe, because I love the islandly look. I keep wanting to try the black and white, but for some reason I always gravitate towards color and tropical feel. So maybe next year black and white will be my theme. Again, I like to change up. So let me quickly give you a rundown of where some of these products came from and what I can link. I will link in the description box for you. The egg chairs came from Target. However, there is a cheaper version to these egg chairs at Walmart. The pillows came from Walmart. They are mainstay. The little table in the middle came from Home Goods, and the tables going across came from Ross. These curtains came from Home Goods. The bamboo fence came from Home Goods. Sorry about that. Home Goods, yes. And this large vase here came from Home Goods, the patio section. All of the plants here came from Walmart. They're a mixture of crotons and canva lily, not calla lily, but canva lily. I think that's the name of it. I'll pop it in there if I'll try to remember it. These chairs came from the Acapulco chairs came from Home Goods, and they were $1.99 a piece. The sectional came from Walmart. I got it for $200 about 2 years ago. The rug pillows again came from Walmart. Umbrella came from Walmart. The plants came again, all the plants came from Walmart. On the table, the little bench there that's at the table came from Home Goods as well. It was $1.99. And these tables here that I love, $1.99 a piece. That's the plants are on top of those tables in the middle here, the end tables. They came from Home Goods as well, and they were $1.99. It was part of one of my hauls, if anybody can recall. But yeah, I like the way everything came out. So I'll give you another once over. I appreciate you guys watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked anything at all in the video. I truly appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.